Well, I just tried all the lights. They all work. It's getting dark out here. Got one for electricity when I'm plugged in, shore power, whatever you want to call it. One 12 volt, totally separate bulb. It's a 12 volt bulb in the top half. Has it in each corner. That's a cool, runs off propane. The stove light works. Fan. You got another 12 volt and shore power bulb. That one's blown out. And then I got the two in the back. And they all work. It's getting dark out here, so I'm gonna call it quits. And that green carpet gotta go. And that plug works. There's one on the outside door. I'll get some more work done tomorrow morning. Hopefully have that done. Oh, and I'm just plugged in the fridge to see if that works. I don't know about this thing. It's pretty dirty. I think it is working. Holy shit. Not bad. It's enough for today.